Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Cunningham, and I'm going to try to recruit you to take physics next year at Easley High School. I usually like to come around to the math classes during registration time to talk to students about physics, but the scheduling didn't work out for me quite that well this year, so I made this little commercial. First of all, why do I go to the math classes? Well, physics is applied math. So if you're decent in math, you like math, physics might be for you. More so than how well you did in biology or chemistry, how well you're doing in math is going to be the best predictor of how well you'll do in physics. So I want to talk to you about who should consider taking physics, a little bit about taking AP classes and the AP physics classes we have, and then just a little bit about what the classes are like. So who should take physics? Well, first of all, I would take physics just because this is free school. Try different things out. Who knows? You might like physics. When I was in high school, I loved biology. I thought I was going to be a biology major. And then I took physics, and I liked it a lot better. So physics was for me, might be for you. You don't know. I encourage you to take as many different things as you can while you're in high school. It's free school. Get your money's worth. Also, if you are planning on majoring in anything in college that's going to require an intro physics class, you want to see physics in high school. You don't want to get to college having never seen physics. I promise you that. So I made a little list of majors at Clemson that require just an intro physics class. And I broke that down into majors that require an intro physics class that's just an algebra-based physics class, and majors that require the calculus-based physics. So here's a list of majors at Clemson that require an intro algebra-based physics class. So as you can see in that list, there was a lot of the biological majors, biological sciences, some medical sciences, health science, architecture. A lot of the agricultural majors even require an intro physics class. So if you're planning on going into any of those majors, you want to take physics in high school. As far as physics with calculus, here's a list of those majors at Clemson that require an intro physics with calculus course. So probably no surprises there. All your engineering majors, physics, chemistry, math teaching. If you want to be a math teacher at Clemson, you need to take intro physics with calculus at Clemson. So now I want to talk to you about AP classes in general. AP classes are great. They get you college credit. You do have to take that AP exam at the end of the year, but if you're successful on that, then you get college credit. And if you are successful on the physics exams, that will get you 3 credits for the lecture, 1 credit for the lab, which is great. And time is money. I mean, that means your first semester of college, you can be sleeping in at 8 a.m. while your roommate's going to take that intro physics class, but you already got the credit. So now let me tell you a little bit about the physics classes that we offer here at Easley High School. There are 4 of them. We offer AP Physics with Calculus, AP Physics with Algebra, for more of the general science majors. We're bringing back honors physics and college prep physics. So they pretty much go in that level of difficulty. The AP Physics with Calculus is going to be reserved for students who are in calculus, so that would mainly be for seniors. Then we have AP Physics with Algebra and Honors Physics, which are going to be very similar. And I want to see that you've completed Honors Geometry and Honors Algebra 2 in those classes. And again, like I said, they're going to be very similar. The algebra-based AP class is going to be a little more difficult tests. The homework will be a little higher level. And I'll require you to memorize the equations. Honors class, I'll give you a reference sheet. But if you're up for the challenge, I would still highly recommend you try the AP class. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You don't get the college credit? Well, you weren't going to get it if you didn't take it in the first place. And then we also have the college prep class. So 4 classes to consider. I've had students ask, do they need to take the CP or honors before they take either of the APs? And the answer is no. I've definitely had students in the past take both the AP classes, take the algebra-based, and then they decided they really liked physics, wanted to consider engineering, also took the calculus-based class. That's fine, but they're all sort of standalone classes. You can take one without having taken any of the others. Okay, and then I'd like to also tell you just a little bit about the classes. So physics is fun. We do lots of activities, lots of hands-on learning and labs, lots of little computer animation things too. If you're in the AP Calculus class, I'm going to have you write like 1 lab report per unit. So that turns out to 8 full lab reports. The other classes would be 1 lab report per quarter. In the AP Calc class, we have homework quizzes every day, where I will provide you the solutions to the homework problems I assign. So shouldn't be any surprises there. You just need to study those, know how to do the homework each night, and you'll have a quiz each day. The other classes all have online homework. And again, I'll provide you the solutions, so it's not like you're going to be home stuck, frustrated. Solutions will be there for you. You're just going to have different numbers. And I allow redos on all tests. We correct our mistakes. I think that's an excellent way to learn. So it definitely points back there. And also we go on some fun field trips. We go to Carowinds at the end of the year to one of their education days. So if you have any questions at all about physics, please don't hesitate to find me. I'm in 239. You could shoot me an email, sarahcunningham@pickens.k12.sc.us, or shoot me a message on Schoology. But I'd be happy to talk to you about physics. All right, thank you.
I'm Alex. I'm a psychology and biology minor here at Clemson. I did have to take physics for my program, and I took it in high school, and I'm really glad I did.
I'm an agricultural mechanization and business major here at Clemson. I took physics in high school, and it really helped me be prepared for physics courses I had to take here at Clemson.
Hey, I'm Olivia Simmons, and I'm a nutrition major here at Clemson University. I had to take physics here and struggled a little bit, but I feel like had I taken it in high school, I would have had that foundation to really let me excel in the class.
Hey, I'm Elena Thurmond, and I'm a food science major, and I took physics in high school, and it actually helped me a ton in college because I really could not have passed at all.
I'm a junior biosystems engineering major at Clemson. I definitely had to take physics when I got here, but I was not required to take it in high school. And looking back now, I really wish I had, because it would have prepared me a lot more to take Physics 1 and 2 here at Clemson.
Hey everyone, my name is Michael Chang. I am a junior in math at Clemson. I definitely had to take introductory physics as a math major, and I took AP Physics in high school. And I'm really glad I did, because it made the class a lot easier, made the college transition a lot easier, and it helps me better understand some applications of mathematics in my field.
Up in the morning and out to school. The teacher is teaching the golden rule. American history and practical math. You study them hard and hoping to pass. Working your fingers right down